start question number 4 of Mathematics O-Level 2022 paper 2, syllabus D 4024 and variant is 22.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Dear students, welcome to a new video. Last time we were doing paper 2 of November 2022 for the GCE O-Level Mathematics syllabus D 4024. We solved a few questions. Next question, question number 4, is about the set theory. The given is a universal set X is X such that X is an integer between 10 and 40, and P is another set which contains the multiples of 6. Q is a set which contains a square number. But because universal set is between 10 and 40, therefore the elements of P and Q will also be in between 10 and 40, which satisfy these conditions. So for P, first of all we list the elements of set P. So P is equal to those multiples of 6 which lie between 10 and 40. 6 ones are 6. 6 is a multiple of 6, but 6 is less than 10, so it will not be included here. But 6 2s are 12, so 12 will be here. 6 3s are 18, 18 will be here. 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36. So these are the numbers, multiples of 6 which lie between 10 and 40. So P set is consists of these elements. Similarly, Q is a square number, so Q will be equal to square numbers between 10 and 40. First square number between 10 and 40 is 4 square is 16, and 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36. That's it. So these is, because 7 square is 49 and 49 is greater than 40, therefore 49 will not be included in this set Q. Now the question is, write down the elements of P union Q. We have set P, we have set Q. We have to calculate P union Q. Union means all the elements which are contained in P are Q, but the common elements will not be repeated. So P union Q will be equal to 12, then 16, then 18, then 24, then it is 25 from this set, then 30, and 36 is common, so it will be written once, so 36. So this is the union of P and Q, or P union Q, and this is the answer of question number 1. That's it. So part 2 of this question is, find number of elements in P dash intersection Q. First we will have to find the P dash. P dash is complement set of P. Complement is those elements of universal set which are not in P. So we will have to subtract P from universal set. We know that universal set, first I write universal set for you. The universal set is between 10 and 40. It is 10, 11, 12, so on up to 40. All the elements between 10 and 40, integer numbers. So P dash will be equal to universal set minus P. Those elements of universal set which are not in P. So these will be equal to what? Like, look here. 10 is in universal set but is not in P, so 10 will be here. Then 11 is here, 11 is not there, so 11 will be here. 12 is here, so 12 will not be included. With 13. So all the elements between 10 and 40 except the multiples of 6. Similarly, we have 14 up to, like that we have 23, and then 24 will not be here, but 25 will be here, and then we will have 20 up to 29, but 30 will not be included there, 31 will be there, then we will have 32, but it will be up to 35, but 36 will be omitted because 36 is here, or 36 is here. So all the elements of P will be subtracted from universal set, 35, and then we have 37 and 38 and up to 40. So this is the P complement. Now we have to find the P complement intersection Q. Intersection means those elements which are common in P complement and Q. Q is 16, 25, 36. Which are common? Look here, 14, 15, 16 will be here. So 16 is common in both Q and P complement. Therefore 16 will be here. So in P complement intersection Q, first element will be equal to 16. Then it is 25. 25 is here. 25 is also in the P complement. So 25 will be here. Then next is 36. 36 is multiple of 6. So it is in P. So any element that is not in P but in Q will be included there. So 36 is also in P, so it is not in P complement. So 36 will not be not included in P complement intersection Q. So this is the set P complement intersection Q. We have to find number of elements in P complement intersection Q. So number of elements 1, 2. There are 2 elements, so answer will be 2. So this is the answer of second part of part A. That's it. B part of question number 4 is use set notation to describe the shaded region in the Venn diagram. Venn diagram is given. There are 3 sets B, C and D. We have to describe it in the set notation. Now, one thing is clear that shaded region is outside B. So it is B complement. It is not in B, so it will be the B complement. But it is also in C and D. So these are those elements which are not in B but they are in C and D. So those elements of C and D which are not in D. In other words, we can say that it is the, now what is this region? This region denotes the, if whole of this denotes C union D, but this is not shaded. So B complement, so it will be those elements which are in the union of C and D and not in B. So it and mean intersection. So this will be, the shade diagram represents C union D, C union D, but intersection with B complement. No need for doing bracket here. So it will be C union D intersection B complement. So those elements which fulfill both conditions, they are present in C union D and they are not present in B. So the shaded region is represented by C union D intersection B complement, and that completes our question. In part C, a Venn diagram is given but is not completed. This Venn diagram shows the data about a college. In a college, students can study French. French is for F. F set represents French, Spanish S, and Arabic is A. So students can study French, Spanish or Arabic. Now the given is a group of 25 students are asked which language they study. Okay, total number of universal elements in universal set is 25. Now question is, some of the results are shown in the diagram. Some results is shown. Question is, are students who study both Arabic and Spanish also study French? Are students who study both Arabic and Spanish also study French? So this is one is here. One are those students who study all three French, Arabic and Spanish. This area shows those students who study French from here to here and Arabic, 5 students. Those students who study Spanish and French is represented by this area. So one will be, question is, 7 students study French only. 7 students study French only. So here will be 7. This area represents those students who study French only. So this is 7 here. Next is 8 students study Arabic. Total 8. Keep it in mind that there is total 8 students study Arabic. So 4 plus 1 5. There can be maximum 3 students here. Okay, let's do it. Use this information to complete the Venn diagram. We have to use this to complete the Venn diagram. Now 8 students, question is 8 students study Arabic. 4 plus 1 5. So there can be, because question is those students, it was given early that all the students who study both Arabic and Spanish also study French. There is no student who study Arabic and Spanish but does not study French. So it means there should be 0, because no student is such student, there is no such student who study both Arabic and Spanish but does not study French. So this should be 0 here. So 4 plus 1 5. Total 8 students study Arabic. So here should be 3. Now how many students will be here? Will be studying French and Spanish but not Arabic. Now it is given in the beginning of the question that there are total 25 students. So add all of them and subtract from 25. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. So it means here should be 3. Now all 25 have been included. This 2 is those students who study neither of French, Spanish or Arabic. So this is how you complete the Venn diagram, and this is the answer of question part C of this question number 4. Now in second part is, this was the part 1 of C, and second part of C is 2 of the students are selected at random. 2 students from these are selected at random. Find the probability that they both study Spanish only. They both study Spanish only. How many students study Spanish only? There are 5 students. So what is the probability of choosing first student who studies Spanish only? This is 5 out of 25. So probability of, question is find the probability both students Spanish only. Probability of Spanish only. There are 2 students. So first student will be chosen among 25. And how many? 5 of them. So it will be number of favorable chances over total chances. 5 over 25. Now second student also is chosen those who study Spanish. So this is probability of A and B. First student and second student both are Spanish students. So it is and will multiply. What is the probability of choosing second student that studying Spanish? That will be 4 because 5 are total. 1 is chosen. Now second student, how many students are left? Now there are left 24 students, and how many of them are Spanish students? There are 4. So that will be 4 over 24. This is probability of choosing second student who studies Spanish also. So we solve it. 5 ones are 5 fives are, 4 ones are 4 sixes are, 1 ones are 1, 6 fives are 30. So probability of choosing both students who study Spanish is equal to 1 over 30. That's it. Third part is 3 of the students are selected at random from those who study French. These students study French. How many? 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. There are number of elements in set F is equal to 15. Keep it in mind. So there are 3 students to be chosen who study French. Question is, find the probability that only one of them also studies Arabic. Only one of them studies Arabic. So this is equal to 3 students are studying. 3 students. So we have to find the probability of first is French. Okay. Second also French. Then third should be Arabic. From these 50 students, F, F and A. Then second will be R. Another possibility is first is French, second is also studies Arabic, and third is any French student other than Arabic. And third possibility is first is Arabic, then those French students who do not study Arabic. So these are the 3 possibilities. Now first we find the probability of FFA. FFA means those students who study French but not Arabic. FF. A means those students who study French and also Arabic. So this will be equal to French. How many French students? 15. 15 out of, but those who do not study Arabic, there are 7 plus 3, 10. So this will be 10 out of 15. Number of total number is 15 multiplied by this F, second also F. From those 10 students, this will be 9 over 14 multiplied by how many students study Arabic also with French? There are 5 students. So it is 5 over how many left? 13. Okay, I repeat it. Initially there were 10 students who study French but not Arabic, but total students in French set are 14. Now one is selected. How many left? 14. How many left here? Because one is selected from here. So here 9 students left. 9 out of 14. Now we go to this section. There are total 5 students. 5 out of 13. Next is first student. Probability of first student who study French but does not study Arabic. This is 10 over 15 again. Multiplied by second student is Arabic. Arabic how many? 5. 5 over how many left? 14. Multiplied by now French but doesn't Arabic. How many left? Total 10. 1 is chosen. 9 out of 15. Say 15 out of 15, 2 are selected. So how many left? 13. Puts 13 here. Plus probability of first student, such student who study French and Arabic also. This is 5 over 15 multiplied by probability of second student who study French but does not study Arabic. How many there? 10. 10 out of 14. And third is 9 out of 13 as we have done earlier. Now we have to simplify it. I simplify it. 5 1s are, 5 2s are, 5 3s are, 3 1s are, 3 3s are. That's it. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. 30 over 13 times 14, 14 3s are 42, 182. That's it. We can simplify it further if you want. If you want to simplify, you can simplify it. 2 1s are, 2 7s are. So then the answer can be written as 15 over 13 7s are 91. Plus 5 1s are, 5 3s are, 3 1s are, 3 3s are, 2 7s are, 2 5s are, 5 3s are 15 over 91. Plus 5 1s are, 5 3s are, 3 1s are, 3 3s are, 2 5s are, 2 7s are. Again this is 15 over 91. So 91 is LCM and we are left with 15 plus 15 plus 15. So this will be equal to 15 plus 15 30. 30 plus 50, you can use calculator because paper 2 question. 45 over 91 is the answer. So this is the probability of choosing such 3 students. Out of them only one studies Arabic also with French. So answer is 45 over 91. So this is how you solve probability questions from the using the Venn diagram. That's it.